Just another day in the office.
Well, I took a trip to the Sugarbush to inspect the lines. Found a couple with some mold growing in them. We will cut those lines out and replace with some fresh new ones. One line is down. It looks like an animal went through. We had some moose tracks up there. We'll have to replace that line and restring it. Most of the bush looked good. A few of the lines were sagging. We'll have to redo a few of them before spring, tighten things up. And this line, this tap we left in the tree by mistake. We'll have to take that out. And basically everything looks good. So next spring we will be ready to tap the trees and go again. Please hit subscribe. Thanks for following along.